This is a 2012 Ram truck. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: power adjustable driver pedals, a heated steering wheel, aluminum wheels, heated seats, leather seats, a bed liner, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.